In the month of October, we traveled Washington, Oregon, and California. We stayed at 9 different locations. That was 1 Harvest Host, 4 campgrounds, and 4,000 trails, and spent a total of $1,284. In that time, we covered 2,764 miles and spent $1,100 on fuel. Food, well, we ate out a lot and were visiting with friends and visited some cheese factories, so we spent $1,450 on food in total. We did a lot of entertainment, and then we had parking and tolls, spending $196 on those. And since it was cold weather and we didn't have full hookups everywhere, we spent $66 on propane, but we didn't spend anything on water, laundry, or dumps. We had a few repairs and routine maintenance to tend to and spent $267 there, but that'll drop by $100 when we return an extra part we didn't need. We did a lot of hikes, visited 3 national parks, 2 cheese factories, did some community service, and I lost track of all the elevation changes. We also got our RV Life Essential Guide published, and it, along with our 2026 planner, are on the website, and both are now available in spiral bound for those of y'all that have been asking. For more on savings and on our travels, head over to barnesonmove.com for weekly vlogs or YouTube for bi-weekly videos. Thanks for being here. We'll see you out there.